Hello everyone, this is Elishia. Those of you who don't know me, I am an undergraduate student in biotechnology. So come along with me where I'll be showing my day, where I'll be juggling between my online classes, my lab work, and then my preparation for GAT-B. So this is my final semester. It's just some days left. So I thought I'll record the video. So it will be a memory for me when I look back.